Hello there, I'm so happy to see you here. My name is Pam Terrio, Dr. T. I'm the author of Alleviate Dry Eye and also the clinical director of the Dry Eye Center at Lusk Eye Specialists. I'm here in my contact lens room today because we're going to be talking about contact lenses. Specifically, we're going to be talking about the 3 worst things that dry eye sufferers do with their contact lenses. Now, I truly believe that you shouldn't let your red, watery, dry, or irritated eyes hold you back from doing the things you want. I'm here to give you the tips and tricks that you need to alleviate your dry eye symptoms because you deserve clear, comfortable vision. So I hope you'll stick with me through this training today because I want to share with you what you're doing wrong with your contact lenses as a dry eye sufferer and how to fix it. I'm going to be using milk as an analogy because I think it's super understandable and relatable if we talk about milk and our contact lenses in the same way. So the first is wearing your contact lenses too long. I mean this in 3 ways. Number 1, too many hours a day, too many days before you throw them away, and sleeping in them. So number 1, too many hours a day. You need to take your contact lenses out when you get home from work instead of waiting until you go to bed. That's really going to help you not sleeping in them. So with my milk analogy, you would not sit your glass of milk out all night, all day long, and then drink it when you got home from work. At the same way, you would not keep that milk beyond its expiration date. So when you open up your package of contact lenses, when you open it up and you break that little peely pack and you go bloop, it's broken, and you use your contact lens, you have either 1 day, 2 weeks, or 1 month to throw these in the trash can. Now, it depends on the brand of contact lens and the contact lens you're wearing. These parameters are determined by the FDA. So if you do not know the date of your lenses, then you just need to check with your eye doctor and say, I'm wearing this lens, how often do I need to throw it away? Or you could Google it. The Google machine will tell you what they're FDA approved for. And it means from open to trash can, that's how many days you get. Same with your milk. You would not drink that milk if it was 1 day past its expiration. I promise you wouldn't do it. Why would you risk a stomach ache? And in that same line of thought, why would you risk an eye infection? They are serious. They hurt. I promise. Okay, so the third on my list was overnight wear. If you've read my book, Alleviate Dry Eye, you know that is my golden rule. Always take your contact lenses out every single night. It's the one thing I am not willing to discuss, negotiate, make exceptions for. Every single night you must take your contact lenses out. There is no sleeping in your contact lenses. Okay, especially you dry eye sufferers, they're just going to feel like little cornflakes on your eye when you wake up in the morning. It's not good. Okay. Number 2, cleaning your contact lenses properly. Now, I had a video a couple months ago on Clear Care. If you ask me what is the best contact lens cleaner, hands down, no matter what the contact lens you're wearing, no matter what your problems are, Clear Care, that's the one. It's a hydrogen peroxide-based solution, and I did a whole video on how to use it properly. It's not a store it, rub, rinse, and put it right back in your eye kind of thing. So you need to make sure you either watch the video or read the instructions on the box very carefully because hydrogen peroxide doesn't belong in your eye. So there's steps that you need to take. But this is truly the best contact lens cleaner. So the third thing, giving up on your contact lenses too soon. So what is the final thing that is the final worst thing that dry eye sufferers do with their contact lenses? They give up. They give up on those contact lenses way too soon. If you had a glass of milk and it didn't taste good, would you give up on milk for the rest of your life? No, you wouldn't give up on milk. You'd try a different brand of milk. You would try rice milk or soy milk or chocolate milk. You try a different kind. So along the same lines, if you're wearing a contact lens and it is no longer feeling comfortable on your eye, it may be that you've been wearing the same contact lens since you were in high school and technology has changed. So you'll want to just switch to a different brand. You can also change your cleaner. So you were wearing a contact lens last year, it was feeling super comfortable. Your eye doctor told you it was like the best technology available, and you're using one of those rub, rinse, store, put back in your eye solutions, a one-step solution. Maybe it's time to switch to Clear Care. And the third thing, is changing modalities. So let's say you're using a monthly disposable contact lens. You can switch to a 2-week, or my favorite would be to switch to a daily disposable contact lens like these, Dailies Total One. This contact lens is super comfortable, and it has water gradient technology, so it gets more moist as you wear it, and the moisture actually comes out of the lens the longer you have it on for one day. Eventually the moisture goes away, so it feels good from morning to night. So these are especially water gradient, highest technology available, and I really recommend them for dry eyes. So above and beyond soft contact lenses, if you've tried every soft contact lens on the market, there's still one more option for you, and I have it right here. This is a specialty contact lens. It's called a scleral contact lens, and it's basically, it's a rigid contact lens. So I don't know if you guys remember back in the day, people wore hard lenses. So it's hard, it doesn't bend like a soft lens. It's a little bit larger actually than a soft lens, but it's not soft. And so what this does is it provides a whole bowl full of saline that you fill the contact lens with, and then you scooch it onto your eye there, and you bathe the front surface of your eye in saline solution all day. This lens is custom made, so no matter if you have astigmatism, nearsighted, farsighted, or you need to wear a bifocal as well, the lens can be made to fit you. Pretty awesome. And they're super comfortable, especially for dry eye sufferers. Lots of patients wear them. Anyway, thank you for watching today. I hope I gave you a couple of tips that you can use to make your contact lens wear more comfortable, and that you won't let your dry eyes hold you back from doing the things you love in life. Until next week, I'm Dr. T, and thanks for watching. Bye for now.